Presenting the historic settlement on Old La Veta Pass near La Veta, Colorado. The property boasts 9 historic buildings, of which 6 have been restored. A 300-acre ranch property, and the views are spectacular in all directions, and the feelings of peace and quiet come over you as you reach this destination. This historic property would make a wonderful family, corporate, or group retreat center, but the possibilities are endless. The main home is a restored log structure with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The vintage 1877 railroad depot has been lovingly restored as the train museum. The restored tavern and dance hall looks like it's right out of the early 1900s and would make an excellent venue for weddings and countless other events. Other buildings include the original schoolhouse, an old bunkhouse, old cabins and barns. There's even an old historic ski lift from days gone by. Located in Colorado's Game Management Unit 85, the hunting and wildlife characteristics are second to none. There are elk, mule deer, black bear, coyote, turkey, and various varmints on the property. Additionally, there are elk calving grounds. All of this creating the perfect hunting lodge for added income or personal use. The gentle mountain terrain includes heavy pine forested areas, open meadows, and pockets of aspen, lodgepole, and bristlecone pines, with several springs and 1 small stream. Spanish Peaks Country offers superb hiking and camping, fishing, horseback riding, bird watching, and rafting. Nearby are the Great Sand Dunes National Park, Lathrop State Park, and several natural hot springs. For your private viewing of this once-in-a-lifetime property, contact Jim Digby at 303-883-8493.